My kids are fine, by the way. If you can hear them in the background, they're just kind of rustling in the next room. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shannon and I blog about simple solutions for six-figure debt. I'm telling you guys all about our family's journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can follow along on our debt-free journey. So if you have a lot of debt like we do, you might think that the struggle is real to stay focused and stay motivated while you're trying to make progress and pay off this debt. Today, I'm gonna bring you guys some very useful tips to stay on track and stay motivated on your debt payoff journey. One of the biggest things that I struggle with, pretty much just in life in general, but especially right now, is overwhelm. Sometimes I just get so crazy overwhelmed that I can't seem to make any progress or move forward. So setting small goals, starting with your smallest debt and working your way up to the largest debt. We're gonna pay $50 this week, or we're gonna pay $2,000 this month on our $50,000 debt or whatever. Breaking up your large goal into small manageable goals, like what can we do today? What can we do this week? What can we do this month? Taking a big goal and breaking it down into small manageable chunks, that will help you stay motivated because you can just focus on the short term and not look at, oh my gosh, this is gonna take like 10 years to do or something. The second thing that's super important to staying motivated is to focus on your why, not the what. Don't focus on what you're doing. Don't think about the fact that you can never eat out again in a restaurant. This is only temporary. You'll be able to let up once you're debt-free. You'll still always need to budget and be intentional about your finances, but you will be able to relax a little bit and, save up to go on a vacation and do fun things. Just try to remember why you're doing this. It's so you'll never have that feeling, that anxiety about money, because you always know where your money is going and you know it's working for you and you always have a plan. So your kids can go to college, so you can buy a house, all of those things. That's why you're doing this, and that is gonna keep you moving along on the path whenever times get really hard. Another way to stay motivated, this could be something really simple and really fun to do with your whole family and even get the kids involved, would be to create a debt-free vision board. So cut out pictures in magazines or print pictures online, and you could draw or paint or do whatever kind of fun craft things that you like to do with your family, and create a vision board of all the things you're gonna do once you're debt-free. So you could put a picture of your dream house or pictures from the vacation that you're gonna take. Whatever keeps you motivated, put pictures of it everywhere so that you see it wherever you go. And you could hang this up on your refrigerator or even inside a closet, somewhere you go every day and that you see every day, to remind you why you're going through all of this discipline and hard work, and it's so that you can have all of those awesome things. Another really fun and simple tip is to put some kind of tracker or like a saving or a debt-free thermometer or like a checklist on your refrigerator, and something you can color in as you go. I have one on my blog that you can get in my free resource library, which I'll link below. Basically, it's just like something where you can put your total debt and then color in little boxes whenever you hit small goals along the way. And it's kind of fun. The kids can help fill it in and everyone can see it and feel really motivated every time they go past the refrigerator and see it posted up there. For us, since we have so much debt, I broke it up, our first $25,000, and put that on our tracker, and we have it on our refrigerator right now. And we can fill it in every time we make like a little payment here and there, and then we can see everything kind of come together, and it's really exciting and really motivated to see how much we've already paid off. Okay, and this last tip is probably my favorite because I absolutely love the hashtag debt-free community on Instagram. So create an Instagram account if you are doing the Dave Ramsey baby steps or any kind of debt-free plan. The community is really supportive, and there's a lot of people I've never even met in person on there, and they follow along and they'll send me messages like, great job, you're doing great, or like, frugal living tips and ideas, and I learned so many saving hacks. It's crazy on there. These people are really good at saving money, and everyone's story is so different and just so motivating. And I just love to follow people over there. So if you go on Instagram and create an account, or if you already have an account, search hashtag debt-free community or hashtag debt-free journey, and you can follow along a lot of really inspiring people doing the same thing, going through what you're going through, and you can probably find someone just like you with the same amount of debt as you and see what they have been doing to pay off debt. So that is my favorite tip because it's really super inspiring. And if you want to even go the extra mile, you could start a blog or a YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing to not only stay motivated, but I just absolutely love it. And you can even make a little bit of money too on the side, like a little side hustle. It's a lot of work though, but it is super fun. And if you like writing and graphic design and social media, then maybe starting a blog or an Instagram account would be something that could be really great to stay motivated while you're paying off debt. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for following along on my debt-free journey. I know that it can be really tough. Anything that's worth doing is always going to be hard, but I hope that you found a couple tips that are really helpful to keep you focused and help you stay motivated, especially if you have a really long debt-free journey ahead of you. If you're on Instagram or YouTube or anywhere blogging about your debt-free journey, let me know in the comments below so I can follow you and cheer you along. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.